Looks like little Evan and Martin and Brian. Martin's on the left, Brian's on the right. Martin's shaking his balloon in his mouth. Must be a birthday party or something. Oh, there's little Evan falling down behind Bri. There he is. There's Martin. Brian. You guys are around 50 this year. Close through it. Evan's about 48 now. It's so dark. If you get down, get down a little bit more, Martin. We can see your face.